Get hit by an override. Get slammed by a rushing slide. Play a support with a targeter. Eat your chicken when you're close to the killer. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Get sniped from afar. Use your gun at one charge. Punch the wrong target. Step in one of John Doe's footprints. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Have an idiot on your team. Have a very slow click speed. Get tricked into the killer's lie. Flip your coin in a chase, then you can wave goodbye. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Forget to put down your spawn. Build next to the killer and they will taunt. Have the worst teammates, it's a disaster. Wait, is that a milestone for slasher? Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Clone yourself but doesn't end up working. Hit 0 stamina because you kept running. Let a John Doe find your respawn point. Use the shutdown fruit emo when you're in a chase. Go against a lot of shit let's see. They may not rhyme, but they are